Hey there, SociGEM, it just went live. AI technology is phenomenal, and if you've ever wanted to create and sell your own digital products, you're going to want to see this right away. Click my link below to see SociGEM in action. Everyone is talking about how to make big bucks with ChatGPT, but not many are. Well, my good friend Cindy Donovan has cracked the code thanks to her brilliant G.E.M system. With the use of a few very specific prompts, Cindy is able to create amazing digital offers that people love to buy. Best of all, it only takes 15 minutes to set up. See inside SociGEM, you'll learn exactly what these offers are, why they're so hot, and how to make or sell them yourself. And don't worry, this is 100% beginner friendly. Even if you have no tech skills, no experience, or even made a dime online, you can do this. What's more, these offers are so easy to sell and there's almost no competition. Just follow Cindy's step-by-step guide and traffic system to unlock some massive passive profits. Plus, the G.E.M strategy lets you build your own email list along the way. If ever there was a shortcut to making quick bucks online, this is it. You can get SociGEM here in the link below for a low one-time cost. Check out that link in my description. I have no idea why Cindy is giving this away so cheaply. It's way better than some high-ticket offers I've seen. Go ahead, get SociGEM right now and create your first profitable digital product in just 15 minutes. I can't wait for you to try this out. Check that link below. Get in on the cutting edge of AI or get left behind. Go now. Click the link in my description.